Hey friends, if you wish to change the layout or keyboard language on your system, then please watch this video. Now, why is this important? Because a lot of keyboard layouts just have one language. So here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to time and language, select language and region, and then you can add a language from here. Okay, for example, I can add a different version of English. I'll just search for English, and then let's say I can add Canadian English. I will click on next and then I will install it. But as you can see, for example, the Australian English just has one option, which is basic typing, and American English has multiple options. So you need to be careful while selecting the type of language, because let's say you are selecting Canadian English, but for text to speech it will still use American English. And you can click on these three dots here and language options, and then after selecting the language options, you can also change the keyboard layouts. Okay, for example, if there are installed keyboards, you can add a keyboard and you can select, let's say, English QWERTY language keyboard. Okay, so the US one was already there. I added this keyboard layout for English QWERTY. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.